My name is Kent V. Ramirez. My nickname is Kent. What's your course or program? My course is Business Administration, major in Financial Management. I'm currently third year student. What motivated you to pursue higher education? Motivated me to pursue my higher education is my family, of course. They the one who pushed me to pursue my higher education and for myself to achieve my own degree. Share a bit about your background. I am currently working at LGO Agoo as a clerk and welder. My father is a laborer and my mother is working at barangay health worker. And my siblings, my my big sister is working at Watson's and my young younger sister is working at DSWD. What are your life goals? My life goals is to buy a lot, build a house, travel abroad, buy buy a vehicle, for example, a car, motor, mm, and give way and give back to my family for what they did to me, for helping me to get all my goals in life. What do you hope to achieve in your studies? I hope to learn a lot in the accounting, like public speaking. I want to be confident to myself and to learn more about business administration and finance. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I enjoy doing my hobby, for example, reading manga, watching movies and anime, playing basketball, playing computer games such as a LOL or Dota 2. Is there anything else you like to share about yourself? I'm Ken. Mm, I'm friendly and talkative sometimes, but sometimes I'm quiet. We go to places to relax, such as beach, ganun, or for example, beach, or depends my mood. Sometimes I'm moody, friendly sometimes. And that's all for the video. I hope you, I hope sir that you learn a lot from me. Thank you.